Hello everyone, this is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this bright eye look for you guys, and if you want to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share the video. Yes guys, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Flawless Fire palette and taking the shade Inferno. I'm going to build it up on my crease because I have hooded eyes. I need to make a false crease on my eyelids, and for that I am taking very little amount of color and building it up until and unless it reaches the required intensity which I need. So yes guys, blend and blend. Then taking Revolution's Creative Volume 1 palette and the color Dextrous, I'm going to smudge it out with Inferno so that it looks really smooth and seamless and there are no harsh edges. For the next step, I am going to take Flawless Fire palette in the shade Coal, and I am going to pack it on the outer V of my eye, giving it the required amount of intensity. Then taking Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pots in the number 17, I am going to cut my crease, and here I am creating a half cut crease. You can also create a full cut crease if you require, and please mention it in the comment section if you want to see a full cut crease look. So yes guys, here I am packing the shade on my lids and creating this false crease. You can also use a concealer instead of this white base and create the same cut crease you require. Taking the color Individual, I am going to pack it on the outer fourth of my lid. So why it is outer fourth? Because here I have cut the crease and I thought that I will pack on 4 individual colors of my lids, for which I have divided my lid into 4 halves. So in the first outer fourth of the eye, I am packing the color Individual and packing it really well so that the color looks very intensified and it shows off. You also need to blend this color along with the color Coal a little bit so that there are no harsh edges between the two colors. Moving on to the next step guys, I'm taking the color from the Creative Volume 1 palette, and again I am putting it on the outer third of my eye and then blending it out really well. And also you need to blend it out along with the color Individual so that again there are no harsh lines showing off. So yes, you can also blend it out along with the crease line so that the white effect does not show on your lids. Guys, moving on to the next step, I am going to take the Red Hot color from the Flawless Fire palette and packing it on the middle of my eyelid, and then also blending it out along with the color and a little bit with the color Individual, and then also I'm going to blend it out along my crease line and along with my crease color so that there are no harsh edges. So guys, that is the main important part. There should be no harsh lines while you create this kinds of eye look. Taking the color Ignite from the Flawless Fire palette, I am finally putting this on the outer corner of my eyes. This is a very bright and beautiful color, and in order to intensify the look, you need to pack this color really well guys. So I think the yellow shade is a really nice shade. I don't know, maybe for a very seamless look you can also use a different shade. Then taking a glitter eyeliner. This is from Digital Shoppy. This is the rose gold color. It does not actually look rose gold, but yes, the shade name is rose gold, and I'll put all the description links below in the comment box. So yes, next taking the Lotus Makeup eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, I am lining my upper lash line. I am lining it very thin so that it does not look too bold. You can also use a gel liner instead if you want to smudge it out with the Coal color in the outer V. Taking the Black Magic Kajal pencil from Nykaa, I am going to tightline my lower lash line. It's a great Kajal pencil, guys, and it's very I mean, you can smudge it really well. So in order to do that, I'm taking Black Heart and I'm smudging that coal color along with the kajal which I used, and there are a little bit of fallout, but it is okay. Then in order to smudge that harsh black effect, I am taking the color Red Hot from the Flawless Fire palette, and then I am smudging that black eyeshadow really well. So you can then put the makeup on and also get rid of the fallouts. So to complete the look, I am taking the Falsies Lash Effect Mascara from Maybelline New York, and I am coating my upper and lower lashes so that once I put the false lashes, they will stick very well to the mascara and to your eyelashes. So here I have taken the Calalis eyelash and I have used this to create the final eye look. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I share a new video. And yes guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel once again. And yes guys, like and share the video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.